What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at the S&P 500 index, ticker symbol SPY. So not a bad day in the stock market. Up a little bit, down a little bit, depending on if you're a day trader or you're a longer term investor. There's definitely some money to be made both long and short today for all day traders. But let's kind of give a little bit of a macro overview on what we're looking at going into tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be Friday. Obviously, we know week is coming to the end. I know a lot of you guys like to play 0 days till expiration options contracts. Just remember, always be careful. Risk no more than you're willing to lose. As decay can kind of eat you up if the move does not go in your favor. But one thing that I do kind of want to point out here, ever since we had this bottoming out here on the SPY at 362, we've been on a 1, 2, 3 day kind of dead cat bounce rally. Yesterday, a little bit of an inside bar day, tried to reclaim the 621 highs, got rejected here at the 9 EMA, kind of came back down, never really lost the previous day's lows. And, not a bad day. I would consider yesterday kind of a rest day. Today, almost the same thing. So, we had a little bit of selling pressure. Then we came back up. This red line that you see here, 379.44, is going to be a level of supply. It's yesterday's highs off the wick. That date was going to be the 22nd. Today is the 23rd. And tomorrow will be the 24th, obviously. Haha. With that being said, this 9 EMA here is still acting as a level of resistance, but the stock chart looks better. It doesn't look bad. I came into the day today 100% sell biased, but that is honestly one of the luxuries that I have as a day trader. I can be short biased yesterday, come into the market, trade long today. Okay. A trader needs to be able to adapt. Okay. You need to be able to go with the flow. You want to always be trading with the grain, never against the grain. Now, the market has been, predominantly sell biased. We've been in a bear market here realistically for the past, 7, 8, 9 months, right? If you ask someone who's holding small cap stocks, they've been in a bear market for over a year. So with that kind of being taken place, just understand that right now, what we are doing on the long side of things is basically just renting. Okay. So think about it like this. You're going on vacation. You don't want to use your car. You're going to go out to the car dealership, whether it be Hertz or Enterprise or something. You're going to go rent a car and you're going to drive that car. You're going to use that car. You're going to abuse that car, but you're not going to buy that car. Okay. You're not going to buy that car. So it's the same kind of rules apply right now underneath macro supply. I know a lot of people get excited when we're green. A lot of people get happy. I get happy. Everyone gets happy. Just understand, we're renting stocks right now long. We are not marrying them. We are not buying them. We are not holding them. We're not doing nothing like that. Unless you're a longer term investor, then yes, you are dollar cost averaging in. Your whole strategy and game plan is a lot different than us traders. It's completely two different worlds. But for the day traders, you guys are just renting these stocks long. So just understand, yes, we've had a few green days. One day can wipe it out. One day they can rug pull this. One day we'll be back trading down at 362. Okay, I've seen it happen. You've seen it happen. We've seen it happen this year alone. Okay, you get look at this day: 1 rally day, 2 rally days, 3 rally days, 4 rally days. Let's get excited. No, let's get yanked down for 3 more days. Okay, let's look at this. Consolidation, 1 rally day, 2 rally days, 3 rally days, week and a half of consolidation. Nope, let's get pulled down. So here we are yet again. Consolidate our a bounce day, consolidation. We're starting to go higher. Are we going to break this level or are they going to yank us? You see what I'm saying? So there's areas of opportunities to take both on the long and the short side, depending on what style of trader that you are. Now, for me, I'm going to go long. I'm going to go short. Whatever's going to pay the bills. I've got to keep the lights on, guys. As a full-time trader, we cannot have a bias. As a full-time trader, if we have a bias, like I mentioned, I had a bias to go short. Now, I did take 2 shorts today. I put 4 stocks or 5 stocks on my watch list in Discord. 2 of those stocks confirmed. I took those stocks short. I made some money, but I also made money on the long side. That's the beauty of being able to day trade. Now, depending on your overall account side, you might be only able to take 1 or 2 trades a day. For those of you guys who have a little bit bigger account size, maybe you guys can flip your bias back and forth and go with the trend, take 4, 5, 6 trades. I would never recommend starting to take 20, 30, 40, 50 trades. That's not really my style. I'm a firm believer. If you take a loss, it's okay. You take a second loss. Hey, you know what? maybe you know it's not really your day. You take a third loss on the day, 3 trades back to back to back on the same bias. Maybe it's time to you know kind of sit on the sidelines and wait for tomorrow. Kind of getting back to what we're looking at here, 379.50 long on the SPY. If you're trading options, you're looking to trade stocks. The SPY gets over the 9 EMA and gets over 379.50, we're gonna run. Okay, and I'm not saying we're gonna run, you know, back to 390s, but we're gonna run. We're gonna run a little bit to where you're gonna be able to catch a trade. Okay, if the SPY takes out 379.50, you will catch a trade to the long side. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you that. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot guarantee on paper to anybody anything, but I'm just going to say this. I'll speak for myself right now. If the SPY takes out 379.50, I will catch a trade long. You best believe that I will make money tomorrow on the long side. Now, if we do get rejected, let's say we take this level out, we get rejected, we start to consolidate sideways intraday, and then we re-lose the 9 on the daily time frame, I will be looking to go short. Not go short to hold over the weekend, but just go short for a potential scalp or a day trade. That's how versatile you need to be, and that's how fast acting you need to be, okay? Don't get stuck in the fact that thinking, hey, the charts look good, we're going higher, get into a long position, now we lose the 9 sometime intraday, and you're still holding that long position, or you're still holding those calls that you bought off the bell, and it's now down, you know, 80% in drawdown on a 0 days till expiration, and you know you didn't get out of trade. That's your fault. Okay, that's your fault. If you want to be a trader, you need to be able to adjust. If you want to be a trader, you need a trading plan, a strategy, something that you can implement on a day in and day out basis, and understand where you're going to enter and exit the plays. But what I'm going to give you guys here is the macro level to the downside flushes 370. Okay, the SPYs lose 370, we're going lower. If we get over 379.50, we will go higher. How high? I don't know. We're still in a bear market. We're still underneath the 20-day supply. The 20-day supply is sitting at 394. But is there room to go higher? There's room to go higher. There's room to go higher. Does that mean we're going back to all-time highs and 362 was the low? You know, I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. But what I'm saying is if we take it day by day, we do definitely have room to go. Over 379.50 does start, you know, filling this gap that we have up to 384, and then from 384 to 389. So definitely look for the long side of things tomorrow. If we do lose that area tomorrow, you know, 370 is a downside. I mean, that's 8 points away. You know, it's going to be a little tough to trade to the downside tomorrow. Let's just hope we get a nice, easy, seamless day tomorrow over 379.50. We just all take a beautiful trade off the open, and then we all just, you know, close our computer screens up and go to the beach, or, you know, go to the bar, or, you know, go to sleep, or whatever you do for fun. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would highly appreciate that. Also join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys are also curious about what I got going on and what products I have to offer and teachings that I have to offer, use my experience to your benefit. I am here for your benefit. Listen, I am a full-time options day trader, which means that predominantly I'm sitting in front of this screen for at least 5 to 6 hours out of the day. I also make YouTube videos on technical analysis, which means I'm sitting here in front of the screens all day anyways. Use that knowledge, use my time to your advantage, learn to trade, learn to make money correctly, okay? We're not out here gambling. We're not out here betting on meme stocks or pumping meme stocks or pumping, you know, small cap stocks on Twitter, telling everyone, you know, this penny stock is going to $3 or something. We're not doing that kind of crap. We're trading good companies, indexes, liquid assets that we can make money on. And we're trying to do it on a professional level as a retail trader. I hope that makes sense. Guys, I would love to see you in the Discord. I'll catch you guys all later.